Hi there, this is Sufi from Get Data Solution. Welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we will deal with reporting dashboard. Here is the production side of the product, and these are the products. We may have many products depending on our business model. Here is the sales side. So we'll deal with this reporting dashboard, both the production and the sales side of it. Coming to the channel overall dedication, this channel is dedicated to creating dashboard and other data management tools. The users are institutions or organizations or business people as well as individuals. The purpose of this channel, Get Data Solution, is to modernize data system, save time, generate automatic report, and reduce cost. So those are the major purpose of this channel. Coming to today's dashboard, which is the reporting dashboard, we'll have this beautiful dashboard as a report. And the heading, we have a reporting dashboard, the name of organization or the entity. We have a key performance indicators prepared by physical year, branch, month, and by product type. We can see the data by physical year, by branch, and by month. Then we have production by product type for product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4. Similarly, we will have sales by product type for product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4. We will have also sales values by month as indicated here, and sales values by product type and the proportion values and percentage. So I'll come back to this dashboard later on in detail. Let's come to the content. The content of this dashboard is a database to track production and sales of a company, given whatever product they may have. The data entry required, we require to enter physical year, month, and branch, production data for product 1, 2, 3, etc. That is the number of products produced. The sales data for products 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the number of products sold. Sales values for products, which will be automatically calculated. And in terms of the report generated, it generates report in dashboard. The dashboard report contains production by product type, sales by product type, sales value by month, and sales by product type and proportion of each product for the sales value. In terms of purpose, this dashboard is purpose is to effectively follow up company production and sales, to visualize production and sales performance, to save time for report preparation, to generate automatically the report so that we will have always a ready-made reports, to make informed decision. For example, if you need change your product or introduce a new product, or increase product with high demand, etc. So we'll use the data for informed decision making. For whom? This is for companies who are involved in production and sales of any goods or products. This is the data entry page. We'll insert the data in this table, the name of organization, KPI reported by. If you are interested in that, we'll insert that. Then the physical year, demands, branch, where production is made, if there is a branch. Then products, product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4. Then we'll insert those data, the number of products produced, those branch in months. Then into the sales data for the same product. The sales data will be inserted here. Then the sales will be here. Before that, we will set price for each product just on top. Then it will automatically calculate the values for individual product as well as for overall sales values. So this section is automatic, and we are expected only to enter the data for production and sales. The remaining will be actually automatically calculated. So the reporting dashboard in detail, as I've already said, we'll actually have this beautiful report dashboard where we can insert the data and get this beautiful dashboard. Just on top we will have a reporting dashboard, name of our organization, and the KPI will be indicated. Then we have different slicers. For example, the first one is by physical year. We can see the data by physical year. For this particular case, actually only 1 year data is used as a demo. We can see different branch. For this particular case, 4 branches are used here, and we can use the month. We can see the data by month. This is very dynamic dashboard where you can see the data by those 3 slicers: physical year, branch, and the month, as you like, for both sales and production data. And the first chart shows production by product type. Here is the product for product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4 data are displayed. Next is the sales data. Similarly, the sales data are actually displayed here for product 1, product 2, product 3, and product 4. Next is the sales values by month. Here the sales values by month are indicated. For example, for the first month, 32,100. For the second month, 47,850. And the last chart shows sales values by product type and proportion. For example, here the data is displayed by values in percentage, and the overall sales value is 79,950. We can also have a proportion of each product. For example, product 1 have 20% of the sales value, product 2 has 28% of the sales value. Product 3 has 19% of overall sales value, and product 4 contribute 33% of sales values according to this data. So we'll have such a beautiful dashboard at the end. This is a very effective system which will save time, as well as we will have a beautiful dashboard and have automatic reports for our sales and production data. Thank you, and use this template for your company production and sales tracking system. We recommend this for big, medium, and small companies or for business entities. And thank you again, and subscribe to Get Data Solution. And bye bye.